Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Khona i-comment engiyibonayo la kaMos Liyoka. Ngiyaxolisa if igama lakhe angilifundi kahle bafo. Uthi ngiyayithanda i-channel yakho, uthi kodwa sometimes ngifila ngathi u-negative kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs or uma ukhuluma nge-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi awukhomenti njengomuntu oyi-fan of the club. Uthi ngistophe ucriticize laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs ne-management. Uthi lento engisho ukuthi banemali eningi but abafuni ukuspenda ngathi ngazi iy'ndaba zabo zemali. Uthi for o-coach uthi kumele ngikhumbule ukuthi o-coach baspenda hundreds of hours per week laphana nama-players. Uthi bazi ama-player more than all of us. Uthi therefore kumele ngempela abo-coaches banike i-benefit of the crowd of the doubt. Uthi ngiyavumelana nawe ukuthi i-club bekumele ihambise ama-player amaningi. I-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs i-right kakhulu. Uthi-ke badinga o-goalkeeper abawu-2 abasha. Uthi-ke ama-player lawa engizowabala kumele ahambe ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi uVuma, uNtwari, uMsimang, uFrosla, uMatloko, uMthethwa, uNdlovu, uNgcobo, uModi. Uthi u-disappointed kakhulu kuNgcobo because of uNgcobo une-talent elikhulu kodwa uyahluleka ukudeliver. Uthi-ke mhlampe-ke i-problem, is it a weight problem perhaps mhlampe. I think la ukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi uNgcobo when he was introduced bemncane ngomzimba manje segainile. Uthi under ucoach uMazinyo uNgcobo bekazama ngempela ukuperforma laphana but-ke uthi lama-players awalistile lapha phezulu awa-edi lutho laphana eklabhini. Uthi ama-youngsters from i-development uyasho ukuthi agude kakhulu except uLokhunjana. Uthi uNgcobo, uthi Ngcobo and Mashiane are the only exceptions. Uthi to play for i-Kaizer kumele uthi uma udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ube yi-player la ku-national team laphana, or at least ube ne-potential ukuthi ungadlala kuBafana Bafana or any national team if uyi-foreigner. Uthi ama-player lawa engiwalistile laphana kawanayo i-chance ukuthi adlale kuBafana Bafana. Uthi for i-Chiefs i-standard kumele kube national team. If awudlali ku-national team-ke kumele ube ne-potential ukuthi udlale laphana. Uthi-ke they should not be considered for, uthi kusho ukuthi uma umdlali ungakwazi ungabi ne-chance ukuthi uzodlala kuBafana Bafana, you should not be considered ukuthi udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Singene statement sakhe sesichaze kahle bafethu. Uthi ngi-negative kakhulu. I mean, go back to, okay, I would advise ukuthi ubhuti or angazi ukuthi ubhuti or ubani ubaba noma ngimbize kanjani, ngiyaxolisa if maybe angikubizi kahle according to the way obufuna ukuthi ngikubize ngakhona because ngibona igama nje kuphela. I-Kaizer Chiefs ngiyayi-criticize, ngiba negative, yes, but angibi negative ukuthi bayabheda, ayikho indaba yabo ododi. Ngiba like I try to be constructive in a way mangiba negative. Ubheke for the first 5 games 6 games abayidlalile eligini ukuthi bengikhuluma bengibancoma kanjani ama-player individually. So even uPeterson ngisho ukuthi ama-clean sheets wakhona ngihlezi mangikhuluma ngiyakwazi ukuhlukanisa ama-emotions nalento le engiyibukele each and every day. So nalento le uthi ngistop criticize i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. I-Kaizer Chiefs ike yaba at the peak in terms of ukudlala ibhola. Why should we not criticize i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs when they celebrate more than ama-player and kuba yibo aba-interviewwayo laphana all over the country if i-Kaizer Chiefs iwinile? Ma ingawini-ke manje i-management-ke yona ithintwa, no, that's wrong. Imali ye-Kaizer Chiefs, they're making more money than wonke ama-teams wase-South Africa. Angifuni ukungena kule nto le nkosi yami but ngizonichazela ngoba ayihlangene nebhola. So bengisebenzela lezi zinto zama-brands zama-campaigns, so khona into ekuthiwa ama-sales reports. So if kunomuntu lesekini for example, ngizonenzela example nje yodwa, usebenza eKapa, ngifuna iKapa direct ukuthi abone ama-sales record we-Kaizer Chiefs uzothuka. Ngeke nikhole ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ngisho benza over R1 billion every year ngokuthengisa izinto ze-Kaizer Chiefs just from iKapa nje kuphela. Kusase no Vodacom nezinye izinto. Angisho ukuthi leyo billion iya ku-Kaizer Chiefs yonke, no, angisho kanjalo, but benza i-billion nge-merchandising or ikipa whatever, ama-tracksuit limited, lezi manje sebakhiphe nalezi zokujima bathi zi-limited laphana, zonke lezo zinto benza imali serious. So mawubheka ama-sales report or uye noma ngabe isiphi istore, if khona umuntu omaziyo osebenza estore or emall la bathengisa khona izinto zebhola, and then uthi ucela ama-sales report, if bazokuvumela, if like unomngane whatever, akubonise nje ama-sales reports we-Kaizer Chiefs azokuthusa because of itore ey'ningi ethengisa izinto zebhola zenza imali kakhulu nge-Kaizer Chiefs, right? Ah, asiqhubeke-ke. Uthi o-coach baspenda hundreds of hours per week. Well, o-coach abaspendi hundreds of hours. Okay, maybe masibala i-match day mabe-travel-a, but isikhathi esiningi ejimini baspenda ama-hour amancane mhlampe bajima kawu-3 ngeviki bafethu, hhayi ukuthi bajima everyday labantu laba. Bajima nje few hours kuphela, gone. Cause makuyi-media day uyabona ukuthi ejimini bahlala isikhathi esingakanani, bahlala isikhathi esincane labantu laba. Isikhathi esiningi nje bayapholele. That is why kumele ama-players, we have to call ama-players out ukuthi umsebenzi wabo in a way ulula because baya ejimini lapho for isikhashana, then they move on ngey'mpilo zabo babe busy ngezinye izinto. So if wena as a player if awufuna ukuhlala extra ejimini mase iphelile indaba yo-coach uplana ukuthi uzi-improve, ugijimela ukuthi wena ufuna ukuyobonwa somewhere ama-mall ube busy somewhere, that's the biggest problem. Kumele ukwazi ukuzi-improve, usacrifice, let's say usacrifice 5 years ukuthi ube iconic ethimini ukuthi i-team ingakukhohlwa bafethu. Uthi therefore you should let, oh yeah, asingeneni kula ma-player lawa akhulume ngawo bhuti uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele la ma-player lawa ngabe wa-release-ile wahambisile. Uvuma, I mean Uvuma Uvuma number one, Uvuma yes uyasho ukuthi ngoba la ma-player awayiniki lutho i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uvuma akayiniki lutho i-Kaizer Chiefs, asibeni fair bafowethu. I mean it's surprising ukumbone laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Asisho ukuthi umfethu akaphelelwa umsebenzi noma ngisho kanjalo, but-ke maybe u-Kaizer Chiefs bayabhilivela kuye because few months back i-Kaizer Chiefs beyiplane uku-renew i-contract yakhe because i-contract kaVuma iphela 2026 ngoJune. Baplane ukuyi-renew-a i-contract kaVuma bathi ngathi bafuna ukumnika 2 years or so, but asazi ukuthi bakuphi noma baphinde ba-backtrack-a kwenzakalani ngempela, but-ke bambona as one of the most important players ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kanjani asazi. uNtwari lo mbalile naye abamboni as i-major contributing factor ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kuney'nkinga between yena no-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba ngikhuluma nje kanje. Is missing amanye ama-gym, is not making the match day squad manje. Yeah, akakayiniki lutho i-Kaizer Chiefs. Imagine uhlala ebhentshini almost unyaka wonke bafowethu, ufunani ngempela ethimini? And uNtwara amanye ama-team bawamfuna laphana, but i-Kaizer Chiefs idecide ukumgcina because of beyifuna imali le ayikhipha kuSikhukhune ku-TS Galaxy. But ungafuna kanjani same money lo wayikhipha as i-player lakhe alidlalanga almost unyaka, i-value yalelo player phela lidrobhile, abantu abasena-sure. Ngeke ufune imali e-serious ngeplayer ongalidlalisa. Given Msimango njengoba uthi ube injured uGiven Msimango, let's be fair. So I can't really dive deep into indaba kaGiven Msimango. Frosla, I think right back akekho good in terms of ukudefender. He's not giving Kaizer Chiefs anything in terms of ukudefender bafowethu. Akabaniki lutho, zero. But makuyiwa phambili, I don't know. That is why uma ngikhuluma ngayo a few days back bengisho ukuthi why bangamtholeli i-position e-different bafethu, i-position entsha le akazokwazi uku-adapta khona in terms of i-midfielder, cause akanayo i-pace. Ngibone uRaphoe maqala igame laphana against iSwelele, that side was just exposed. If bekathole umuntu ohlakaniphile bazowashaya amagoli. Angifuni ukubuyela emuva ngeyoSikhukhune United ukuthi washiwa ubani uMunare, umuntu ongakwazi nokugijima. uMunare azishayele lagoli la, but bathi bokuwuMunyane or bokuSolomons, bengeke ashiwe loya muntu loya. So I mean i-defense yakhe man is i-weakest link, one of the weakest links when it comes to defending, but meya phambili uyakwazi ukucontribute for i-team. George Matlo bathe bamnika i-renewal yonyaka or so, after-ke bekunama-speculations ukuthi uzoyishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs. Umthetho asibeni fair, umthetho uyadlala ukudlala, umsebenzi wakho uyawenza umthetho la unikwe lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukurecover ibhola kuphela lo uthi mabamhambise, but-ke umosha ngokuthi akakwazi ukuphasa kahle. uNdlovu usafikele already naye sekabe nama-injuries laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. uNgcobo, yeah, the thing is about ama-player afana noNgcobo sekunesikhathi phela bampromotha laphana ku-first team, but what has he given i-team? Lesingabuza yona ukuthi angakwazi ukuphusha i-team to the highest level na? Uyalazi ibhola umshini bafowethu, ngifuna ukuqamba amanga, but it's always promising. Ngibone bamdrophe to ama-grandstand. Kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs phela bekumele i-build-e i-team entsha brand new bafowethu. uModi lo omshoyo nawe ukuthi akahambe ethimini. Yeah, angifuni ukuhlala kugxila kakhulu kuma-player bafowethu ukuthi abahambe osibanibani na. Yeah, okay, into engizovumelana ne-statement lesi sibhalo bhuti la or ubaba ukuthi uma uyiplayer le-Kaizer Chiefs kumele vele uma udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs ube ne-chance enkulu ukuthi udlalele i-national team or ukwazi ukuba ne-potential lokudlalela iBafana Bafana. Ama-player amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu asibeni fair awakhwalifya, ngeke umcabange nokumcabanga umuntu wakhona uma ucabanga iBafana Bafana. umuntu besimcabanga for the first few games of the season bokuThabiso Munyane because of ulokhu njani uThabiso Munyane bedlala kahle kakhulu, asibeni fair. So mawucabanga ama-right backs e-country besimcabanga naye umfowethu because of siyazi ukuthi uperforme kahle kakhulu laphana ku-first games of the season, and Kaizer Chiefs ayikakadliwa uThabiso Munyane ekhona egroundini, and I think bawine how many games? 4 games and then badraw 1 uThabiso Munyane ekhona, nazange ba-concede not even a single goal. So maybe angakwazi ukuchange izinto uThabiso Munyane given ama-opportunities are better ukuthi adlale laphana represent i-team angazi. So i-statement-ke sakabhuti ubaba lo ngibhalelile i-message lana, and then mina-ke bese ngikhomenta nje kuso. Thank you bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, ngizoyiphinda cause manje ukusubscribe akubalulekile, si-creator i-reach iba more ukuthi sifinyelele noma sifike kwabanye abantu, sibe ngaphansi kwe-algorithm yabo, babone nokuthi ipage likhona li-visible bafethu. Ngiyabonga.